Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So looking for a remote job that pays well. In this video I will show you 5 boring but high paying remote jobs websites. First is LinkedIn. So most people think that it's just a social media platform for professionals, but it's actually one of the best places to find jobs. Simply search for your desired role, enable the remote filter, and you will see thousands of opportunities from companies around the world. You can also connect with recruiters and apply directly. So LinkedIn is best for software marketing, customer support, sales, design. So the next is Indeed. Indeed is one of the largest job search websites. It collects job listings from thousands of companies. Just type your job title here, simply filter and apply with your resume. It beginners friendly and completely free to use. So it is best for data entry, virtual assistant, customer service, IT. So the next is Glassdoor. So Glassdoor is unique, but because it is not only list job but also lets you meet company reviews, employee salaries, and interview experiences. This helps you decide whether a company is worth applying to before you submit your application. It is best for researching companies before applying. So the next is FlexJob. FlexJob specializes in remote and flexible jobs. Unlike many free job boards, ever listing a manually review to reduce scams. Although it requires a subscription, it is a great option if you are serious about finding a legitimate remote job. It is best for freelancers, remote professionals, career changers. So, and the next is We Work Remotely. Finally, We Work Remotely is one of the largest websites dedicated entirely to remote jobs. You will find opportunities from startups and global companies in software development, customer support, marketing, design, and more. It's easy to browse and apply. So it is best for developers, designers, writers, customer support. So thank you so much for your time. If you need any information, you can WhatsApp me. So thank you so much.